Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important and happy news for all the students who want to pursue their intermediate along with CA Foundation. So recently ICAI has made one important amendment with respect to eligibility criteria for writing CA Foundation examinations. So before we could understand the change made by ICAI, let us see what is the position right now. Right now the position is a student is eligible to get registered for CA Foundation only after completion of his intermediate. That means a student who has done his intermediate, especially MEC or CEC group, and has taken coaching for CA Foundation along with his intermediate, he can only get registered for CA Foundation after completion of his intermediate. In such a case, he will not be eligible to appear for CA Foundation examinations, which will be held in the month of May. So that means after completion of his senior inter, in May there will be CA Foundation examinations, but he will not be eligible for those examinations. He will be eligible to write CA Foundation examinations just in the month of November only. Generally, same is the case with students coming from MPC or BPC background also. Generally, students coming from MPC or BPC background will not be taking their CA Foundation coaching along with intermediate. They will be starting their CA Foundation coaching only after completion of intermediate. So in the month of March, they will be writing their examinations. After that, they will be getting registered for CA Foundation and they will be eligible to appear for CA Foundation exams in the month of November. But one major change being brought now is students can register for CA Foundation at any time after completion of 10th class. That means, let us assume a student has completed his 10th class. A student has completed his 10th class in the year 2020. Now, after completion of his 10th class, he can get registered for CA Foundation. So, in the month of March 2022, the student will be finishing off his senior intermediate. Since the student has already registered for CA Foundation, he can immediately write his CA Foundation exams, which will be scheduled to be conducted in the month of May 2022 itself. May 2022 itself, rather than waiting till November 2022. Similarly, let us assume a student has already finished his junior inter and now he is pursuing senior inter. Now he can register for CA Foundation immediately, and in the examinations to be conducted in May 2021 itself, he can appear for CA Foundation rather than November 2021. So generally, students who are pursuing their intermediate in MEC or CEC groups will be interested to take their CA Foundation coaching along with intermediate. So if students have finished their CA Foundation coaching along with intermediate, then they can write their senior inter exams in the month of March, and immediately in the month of May, they can write their CA Foundation examinations. Now, what is the cutoff date for doing this registration? The last date to register for CA Foundation in this manner, actually this process of registration is called provisional registration. That is, even before completion of intermediate, student can register for CA Foundation. This type of registration is called provisional registration. So for provisional registration, if a student wants to appear for examinations to be conducted in the month of May, then January 1st of the same year will be the last date to get registered. For example, a student has recently joined for junior inter in March 2020. Then he can register for CA Foundation on or before January 1st, 2022, so as to get eligibility to write CA Foundation exams in May 2022. Similarly, let us assume a student has already completed junior inter and pursuing senior inter right now. Then the last date to get registered for CA Foundation is January 1st, 2021, so that he can get the eligibility to appear for CA Foundation exams scheduled to be conducted in May 2021. While reading this notification, I understood that CA Institute may conduct CA Foundation examinations either in the month of May or June. they have clearly mentioned that May/June. That means they are doing some discussions to conduct CA foundation exams every year in the month of June rather than May. Similarly, every year in the month of December rather than November. So I understood the same by looking at the notification. Frankly speaking, I spoken with several authorities of CA Institute with respect to this issue. I have written mails to various authorities. I have followed up with various authorities to see that this change happens in CA course. Earlier it was not there. Provisional registration concept was not there. Student was allowed to write CA foundation examinations. A student was allowed to register for CA foundation examinations only after completion of intermediate. With this, a student was forced to lose 6 months of time even after taking coaching for CA foundation along with his intermediate. This is a big boon for students of intermediate, especially MEC and CEC group, who generally finish off their coaching for CA foundation along with their intermediate. So students coming from MEC and CEC background can comfortably save 6 months of time by taking coaching for intermediate as well as CA foundation at a time and registering for CA foundation before completion of their intermediate, so that in the month of March they can write their senior inter exams and in the month of May they can write their CA foundation examinations. Thanks to all the CA authorities who have done wonderful job in bringing this notification. I don't say that I am the whole and sole responsible person to bring this change. No, I don't say like that. But several students might have put efforts, several people might have put efforts, and I am one among them to put the efforts in bringing this notification, bringing this change. All the best.